Welcome to Crayon JMS tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how author can respond to the revision requested in the peer review stage. In our last video, we have seen how author responds to the revision requested in the pre-review stage. The difference between the two stages is, in the pre-review stage, the editorial screening happens. If there is any correction needed or changes required, the editor shares the change request to the author. In the review stage, the editor would have shared the manuscript to the peer reviewers, and the peer reviewers would have shared their suggestion and comments to the editor. And if the peer reviewers have suggested any revision or changes, the editor would have shared the comments to the author. Now we are going to see how author is going to respond to the revision requested in the review stage. For that, I have logged in as an author. You can click on the submission title. So under the review tab, you can see the status as revision requested. So for viewing the revision, you can click on this drop down. So you will be able to view all the important revision details on this page, including who requested the revision and what is the response due date and what is the review due date. So the response due date is the date by which the author must acknowledge the revision request and confirm their intention to submit a revised manuscript. And the review due date is the final date by which the author must submit the revised manuscript for further evaluation. In the Notes to Author section, you can view all the changes and the comment requested by the editor. So these are the comments given by the reviewer to the editor. So the editor forwarded the comments to the author for the review. So all the comments will be shown here. So the author can review the comment and make the necessary changes to the manuscript. Before that, we need to acknowledge the revision request. So for that, the author can go to the action button and click on accept revision. So now the author has accepted the revision request. Now let's see how to upload the revision. So once acknowledged, the author can do the review to their manuscript and make all the necessary corrections done and upload the revised manuscript. For uploading the revised manuscript, the author can click on Upload Changes. So to the manuscript, the author can upload the revision. And if the author wants to upload any additional files, there is an option provided. They can add the additional files here. So once all the things is done, the author can click on Upload File. Now you can see the status has changed to revision submitted. So this is how the author responds to the revision requested in the review stage. There is an additional option for the author, that is the peer review discussion. So in this discussion section, if the author have any queries or clarification needs to be clarified from the editorial office or any other real-time communication can be carried out in this discussion section. So the author can choose the participant and enter the subject and the message. For example, I'm just entering the revision has been submitted and they can click on add discussion. So now you can see the discussion section is opened. So this message would have passed to the editorial team as well. From there, they will be responding to this message. The author should note that the discussion sections are meant only for clarification or any real-time communication. The authors are not advised to submit their revised manuscript in the discussion section. For submitting the revised manuscript, we have seen the steps in the before slide how to submit the revised manuscript. So we request author to follow the same step for submitting the revised manuscript. Thank you.